RESTful endpoints, right, to be able to retrieve all the widgets and to retrieve a particular widget by its ID. Let's take a look at now being able to perhaps be able to delete one of these widgets. Okay? So to delete a widget, we're going to be using the delete mapping, right? That's going to allow us to provide the ID of the widget that we want to remove, right? And removing it from the array. So we might do something like public, maybe come back with the widgets that survived. So this will be delete widget, and we're going to pass in the integer of the widget ID, and we're going to remove from this array. Okay, so maybe we can find where the index where that occurred. So we can say maybe we can iterate once. As we iterate, we find the index. So maybe index int index is -1. Maybe we haven't found it yet. If we find it, then maybe we can copy here. I guess we don't have an index. Let's do a counter here. Int I equals 0, I less than widgets length or size, right? Haven't done Java in a while, sorry. So if we look at widgets dot get I, and then the get the ID, if it's equal, then the index is equal to I, and then we can just remove it, right? We can say widgets dot remove, and then the index, and then we're just going to return the widgets that survived. Something like that. Maybe you have a better solution using the new Java features. All right, so let's restart the server. Now, as we restart the server, right, we notice that when we go back to the browser, we notice that we can't actually test it, right? Because there's no way to generate a delete command from our browser. We can only generate a get from our browser, right? So to fix this, we're going to use a Postman application to be able to send deletes and posts and puts to our server and try it out, see if it works. So let's see, do we have one for this course here? Did I create a generic webdev? This must be it. Okay. All right, so let's close some of these up here. And let's create a brand new request here. And we'll say delete widget. And save it. And what we're going to do here is, there it is. It'll be a delete. And the URL will be, that's going to be the URL. Here we are going to delete the widget whose ID is 345. See that? Right? And we're going to save that. And let's see. Perhaps we might want to also just duplicate this and just get all the widgets so that we can verify that we have deleted the widgets, right? So it says find all widgets. It's just going to be a get, right, to that URL. And if we send that, we see that we have 3 widgets, right? And we want to remove maybe, let's remove this one, 2, 3, 4. So let's go to delete. We'll use that 2, 3, 4 and save and run. Okay, and it didn't work. What? Do I have a syntax error in my array out of bounds? Should this be size -1? Maybe? Oh, I never parsed the path parameter. Thank you. So let's grab that as an example here. The path variable. Copy that. Let's paste it here. There it is. Let's restart the server. Probably I needed the -1 as well, no? Okay, let's try it out again. Let's see that this is still working. Okay, there they are, the 3 widgets, and delete, send. There we go. So it came back, right, with 1 less widget than before. And find all widgets. Notice that now it doesn't have it. Yes? Right? Which is exactly what we want, right? We want the server to start maintaining the state for us, right, so that we don't have to do it on the client, right? It can survive refreshes on the client. All right, so finally let's take a look at perhaps creating a brand new widget.